Like that.
Wherever you go.
Hello. Today is National Girlfriend's Day. This is the makeup look for today. My eczema is flaring up, as you can see. I hope you can see. But I try to not pack on as much makeup as I usually would like to. I kind of left my eyes alone a little bit, but I did a little bit of a wing. Can you see? I don't know what's happening. Leo's coming at like 10:10. He said, be ready by 10:10. I don't know what we're doing today, so I'm just gonna take you along with us. And yeah, I've been watching RuPaul's Drag Race for like the last 2 weeks, and I'm still watching. Currently watching season 9. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me. Okay, bye. Oh.
Turn around. It's
Oh my god. Wow, thank you.
Of course.
Guys. Wow.
Hold it, hold it. I want to see you hold it. I want to see you hold it. Perfect. There you go.
From the best.
There you go. Thank you.
From the best.
Of course. Do you like them?
I love it.
All right. But why is it so
I don't know. Wow.
Happy
thank you.
National Girlfriend's Day? Welcome.
Thank you. Mwah. Yes. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Look how good. Oh. Oh my god.
I think it's salmon, smoked salmon, and then tomato. What do you?
Smoked salmon.
Yeah, smoked salmon.
Here, I'll try it.
God damn!
It was in his studio, just a few minutes walk from here, that he drew the Peanuts comic strip day after day and made you think, oh yeah. Sparky said his job was fundamentally drawing funny pictures, but we all know it was
Oh my goodness. Hello. So we are at one of my favorite parks ever. The water is so calming, and we're gonna eat because we haven't eaten all day, and I'm so hungry. Yeah. Okay. Bye. We are almost done with the acai bowl.
Tell them what happened.
I burped really loud, and I forgot we were in public.
Everyone just stopped what they were when they were looking at us. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Does it zoom in too?
Oh, it does.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
The acai was so good. What would you rate it out of 10? We're probably gonna go there more often.
10 out of 10. It's delicious.
I didn't record because your girl was getting overstimmy, and I totally forgot because I was getting hungry too.
Say hi.
Hello.
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 How's it going?
Oh, first bridge. taking a rest stop and look at our view. Show us where we're sitting.
On the edge.
On the edge. Let me show them.
On the edge.
So we're like on the edge. But look.
Very beautiful.
My phone.
Stop.